Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing video. Taking off this Vmasstone drinking water faucet. So this comes with instructions on top how to install this. And we have this nice unboxing, or nice packaging I should say, keeping it nice and safe here. We have various adapters, looks like 1/4 and 3/8. So these are quick fit adapters on there. And then we have to go on the top of your sink right here. That's going to attach it to that. And finally, we have the faucet for drinking water. So if you have a filtration system, it's just going to go right on your sink. It's a nice matte black finish. I actually kind of like that. And then this you would just turn left or right to turn your water on or off. Okay, we'll go put it on the sink and let you see how it looks there. Well, here we are, friends. So wherever you have a hole here, if you have one in your sink, if you don't have one, you can just drill one. Probably a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch hole would be just fine in order to get the fittings through here. Just set it through there, and this part goes on there flush, and then you just screw on the washer on the bottom, so the rubber washer, and then the other washer on the metal one, and then screw that on, and it's nice and tight. And then just hook it up to your filter. Usually these have like a quick connect. Use your PEX type connections like that. They just press into the hose basically. And this comes with the 1/4 inch, 3/8, and 1/2 inch connections there. So it's easy to plug in. But it looks really nice. And thanks for watching, my friends. I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you all next time.